If you are stuck on the You're All Caught Up screen on Instagram and not seeing new posts, here's how to fix it. First, refresh your feed by pulling down on the home screen. Sometimes Instagram takes a moment to load new posts, so give it a few seconds. Next, check your internet connection. If your Wi-Fi or mobile data is slow or unstable, Instagram may not load new content. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, restarting your router, or using a different network. Make sure your Instagram app is updated. Go to the Google Play Store, search for Instagram and update it if available. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the app to clear any potential glitches. Try clearing the Instagram cache. Go to Settings, Apps, App Management. Find Instagram in the list. Then tap on it. Tap on Storage. Then tap Clear Cache. If you are following only a few accounts, Instagram may genuinely have no new posts to show. Try following more accounts or visiting the Explore tab to see fresh content. Check if Instagram is down by visiting Down Detector or checking Twitter for user reports. If Instagram is having server issue, you may need to wait for it to be fixed. If nothing works, log out and back in to refresh your account. You can also try logging in from a different device or browser to check if the issue is account specific. That's it. Hopefully your Instagram feed will start showing new posts again. If this helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Instagram fixes.